As a food and wine lover, Sonoma County is one of those places I've been dying to visit for years. But I also know that there's a lot more going on beneath the surface. In recent years, it's become a gathering place for artisans of all walks of life. Whether it's a farm-to-table chef or an organic winemaker or an entrepreneur, we're here this week to find out what makes this place so special. There are many ways to explore Sonoma's countryside, but for Randy Johnson, owner of Getaway Adventures, the best way is by bike. Why Sonoma?
Because it combines the three things I love. Beautiful scenery, wine, and attracts some great people to come out here. I've traveled all over the world, and believe me, if I found a better place, I would move there. But this place has got it all.
He's beating us.
Yeah, yes he is.
We're just taking it in.
We're loving
for a
this stuff.
leisurely stroll in the vines.
Yeah, the sip and cycle is what, the tour takes you to wineries.
So we're doing the cycling right now. When's the sipping gonna happen?
It's gonna happen real soon at Martorana. Fun, family-owned place that's got great wine.
What's up, man? Good to see you.
Hey, this is Katie here.
Hi, Katie.
Great to meet you.
Welcome to Martorana. Come on out to our Merlot block. Here's actually a cluster left over that we didn't pick. Typically, when we look at these grapes, we're looking at seed color when we want to pick them. And you can almost smash the skins in your hand and it'll start to release its color. And we know it's getting ready and really perfect to pick it. Here's our 2017 Sauvignon Blanc. This is tasting really, really wonderfully and crisp, especially after that long bike ride you did.
Oh yeah, enjoy it with us.
Of course.
Not often you get to have a glass of wine with the man that made the wine itself. So
Chin chin.
cheers to that.
Very cool.
Sonoma County would not be what it is without its many renowned restaurants, but few can compete with the fresh and innovative style of Single Thread. This place is awesome. Will you give me a tour, kind of show me what it's all about?
Yeah, absolutely.
So we're in beet season right now.
We are in beet season.
You know, we run dishes on the menu for more than one day, but it's really like whatever is being harvested, that's what the menu's focused around.
So this beet's called a badger flame beet, and kind of bred to be eaten raw.
It's not super earthy at all. It's like very sweet for a beet.
For a lot of chefs, they kind of think first of like, well, what's like the main protein? Beef, or am I serving duck? Am I serving fish? You know, here we look at the vegetables and say, okay, what do we want to do with the vegetables? I don't want to say it's the afterthought, but that's what comes next.
But the star
Starts
of
with
the plate is the vegetables. Like that's where your focus begins.
Exactly.
This was home of Romanesco, and if I can find one, here we go. This is ideal right here. This is really what we want. It's a collaboration between the farm and the kitchen.
This is what's happening today in Sonoma County. This is what's coming from our farm. This is sort of the best of all of the produce, of all of the ingredients, of all the floral.
Sonoma is really one of the few destinations in the country where people are coming for like the food and wine experience. The people who live here are really passionate about what they're eating, what they're growing, different artisans, making wine.
It's just such a beautifully supportive agricultural community.
A trip to wine country is not complete without stopping in to visit Chris Benziger of the famous Benziger Family Winery.
The best part about winemaking here in Sonoma County in particular is you get to be a farmer first and foremost. You get to walk the vineyards. And then once the grapes are through the harvest, that's when you get to become an artist. These wines aren't made. There's no recipe here. Right. We want all the nuances of the vintage to be amplified in this bottle of wine. Anybody who chooses to farm biodynamically in Sonoma County has the ability to make world-class grapes by allowing nature into your vineyard and letting it naturally integrate so you get the true expression of this piece of property. A lot of wines just want to be consistent. Right. Consistency to me is failure. We want to be different and every year be unique. Just starting, so maybe it has 2% alcohol, maybe less.
Okay.
That's what these little fuzzings here. So the natural yeast is starting to take hold. So it lands in here, and yeast are little animals, and they're going to start eating the sugar. Now you can taste it.
Oh wow, this is like the real deal right here.
Real deal. See how sweet that is? It's so good.
Yeah, it's really good.
And this is the party cave right here. This is the party part.
This is where it all happens.
This is where the magic happens, as they say in Disney, right?
This is incredible. This is the dream.
Tribute is it's our icon wine. It's our #1 wine. It all comes from this estate property here. The entire Benziger family is in this bottle of wine. We've failed if you think this is just another winery or just another place to visit. We've succeeded if we made you a friend.
The people of Sonoma are true artists, dedicated to producing the best of the best in whatever they do. And yet in this, they remain collectively grounded and approachable. For them, it's about providing you the chance to open up your eyes, taste buds, and life the way theirs have been. But it's impossible to show you this in a short video. You'll just have to go see for yourself.